We're in the flipping forest, dude. Dude, we flipping nature, dude. Dude, I kind of hate the woods, though, dude. It's so nasty out here. There's no girls in the woods, dude. I think the worst experience I've ever had in the forest, dude, was flipping walking up on an old guy peeing. Flipping had a hole whipped out, dude. It made me jealous, dude. Flip a tree. Dude. Hello? It's flipping sketch, dude. You know, the real thing I really like about nature, dude, is the flipping scenery. You know, because nature's... You know, my least favorite part about the woods, dude, is the flipping strangers boating by, dude. I don't like it, man. There's nothing better, dude, than flipping sitting under the stars, dude, and flipping killing the stupid mosquitoes, dude. Mosquitoes. Go somewhere else, dude. Flipping sick, dog. I'm fine. All this naturing make me flipping exhausted, dude. Flipping need a breather, dog. Dude, my favorite tree, dude. Dude, flipping trees, 600 years old. Flipping killing it, dude. They don't die. Dude, flipping make furniture out of those bad boys. Flipping hate trees, dude. Can't do that with no leaf. Flipping, check it out, dude. This thing's flipping pretty, dog. Dude, that's flipping gross, man. Dude, it just makes me feel, just makes me realize just how strong I am, dude. Just connecting with the trees, with the ground, dude. I just feel so connected, dude. Like, heck, nah, I wouldn't have this feeling in the flipping city, dude. Dude, look at the sign, dude. Yeah, dude. Boat right here, dude. We go to our own island, dude. Flipping restart civilization, dude. Sick. Oh, flip, dude. Dude, where the flip am I, dude? Dude, we're getting flipping hammered tonight, dude. That's pretty sick.
Danger, stranger danger.